insubordination. You are a public servant, and you are in breach of the public trust. For the record, would you like to make your counterclaims or dispute any of the claims that I've made or my rightfully established rights and freedoms? Failure to answer is consent. I want you to know that. It actually states it here. I'm sure you can read. I'm sure you're literate. Failure to register a dispute against the claims made herein will result in an automatic default judgment and permanent or irrevocable estoppels by acquiescence, barring the bringing of charges under any statute or act against myself, a free sovereign inhabitant. Okay? You've been given notice of this. Do you agree?
I disagree. And
in what counts, on what parts exactly do you disagree?
I don't have to explain myself. I disagree.
You need to be under oath. Are you under oath right now? Are you under the penalty of perjury?
Phil, if you'll settle over there, please. I'll settle here.
I want to be on the record that I do not consent to the browbeating or the intimidation tactics used by my servants. Are you working for a different municipality?
Yep, work for the city.
And who is the bailiff or the gatekeeper for these proceedings? Perhaps we're in the wrong venue. It says this in the statutes here, it says the lawful courts in the state of Oklahoma are to be courts of justice by the people. You have been vested with the interest of the people, the trust of the people, and you're in violation of that trust.
All right, please.
I will not stand for this.
Listen to me. Everybody pay attention. Turn off the camera.
No, sir.
Will not.
No
Freedom of press.
Listen,
Freedom of press.
You had.
I object, Your Honor.
Take this
I
man
object.
into custody for contempt.
I object. Sir, hold on. Wait. Pursuant.
Put your hand behind
I object to this abuse.
You're under arrest.
Stand down.
Behind your back.
Stand down. Stand down. I'm giving you a lawful order right now to stand down. Taser.
Close the door. Got your license?
Yeah, how you doing?
Got your insurance?
Yeah.
Hold on. What are you doing? Where is it? Yeah, give me your license. Out of your wallet there.
Well, I need to read this.
Okay.
And, that you're going to violate my right to travel. All my information on it. You can read my plate. You're welcome to. You'll realize that I've addressed this.
This is the supervisor. You know who's our supervisor? He's a right to travel.
Okay. 54. You can go ahead and give me a supervisor's one.
You have your driver's license?
Sir, I'm going to have to. I have all my information on that sheet.
Well, I need a photo ID here in the state of Texas in order to identify you. I've stopped you for a moving violation. It's legal to do. You have no front license plate.
Okay, I'm not a driver, I'm a traveler.
Okay.
As a traveler.
Mr. Ripson.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? We're not here to discuss the politics of what you believe and don't believe in.
Sure.
We respect that view.
Good.
But you got to understand that for the most part, all motorists are required to have a driver's license and show proof of insurance while traveling the state of Texas. All right? We've got a supervisor en route.
254. We're at Galloway and Childress Farms Bridge at the Stop and Shop gas station.
A step further, okay?
Hope we don't have to.
All right, well, just remain in your seat here. We'll be right back with you.
Get out of the gym.
Pull pulled him over coming up Childress for no front license plate. He's got no bumper, no front license plate.
Okay.
So I turned around on him and he was hauling up here.
Okay.
So he pulls in here, opens up his wallet. He's got a DL in there. Gets all shaky, won't give it to me. Presents me with this.
Oh, yeah.
Right to travel.
Yeah,
So
that means nothing to us.
he's got histories for 55, 10, 11. His last arrest was 2016 out of Rockwall for DWLI.
Okay.
So they're obviously, this isn't the first time.
Yeah.
So that'll enhance if he won't sign it.
Okay. So he's refused to sign the ticket?
I haven't presented to him yet. I was gonna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He can sign it, or we'll place him under arrest. Is that where we are with each other?
Yeah. We just wanted you to come out.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah,
Be here because usually they want a supervisor.
Yeah, I get it.
And if I
Yeah.
gotta break his window to get him out.
All that
you know
goes
what
with
I mean?
it.
So.
Yeah, let's see if he'll sign it, and we'll go from there.
Mr. Richardson.
Yes.
I have a citation
Are you gonna?
for no front license plate and driving while your license is invalid.
I have that already adjudicated.
Another notation.
I have that already adjudicated.
Just say he's not signing it? You decide to take it or go to
You
jail.
still have no front license plate.
Okay.
Your choice.
But I'm just saying that
I don't want to read it.
this is about the ticket.
I don't care.
It's not an admission of guilt, simply an agreement that you contact our court within 12 business days. Down at the bottom, on the signature line. You come down to court, you can bring those documents, and if it's valid, then let the judge deal with it.
Spelled duress wrong.
Oh, just let me spell it correct.
How do you spell it?
D-U-R-E-S-S.
Wrong. If you're going to be confrontational, you need to spell it right, okay? Illiterate does not count, okay? Now, you should put your seatbelt on. You should obey all the Texas rules. You may not think the rules, but guess what? They are. And if you don't, if you get out of here and we see you make a violation, we're going to pull you over and we're going to take you to jail. Do you understand those constitutional rights?
Yes, sir.
Good. Because you do have a criminal history. And should you wish to take this to court, everything I said to you is being recorded and photographed right now.
Your badge number is?
You've got it. 382. Yeah. I could hand you a piece of paper telling you I don't want to give it to you, but that's not how we operate. You want to operate outside the rules, but you don't want everybody else to.
Sir, I said.
Yeah.
You said your badge number was?
You got it. I already told you. Now, if you want to redo it, that's for open information. Okay? Put your seatbelt on. When's the last time you were arrested?
I don't recall.
I
No,
do.
really? Convenient, considering it wasn't that long ago.
This is going to cost you somewhere in around over $1,000 because you've already had a DWLI before. Okay? It's still not valid, so I don't know how you're going to get off this parking lot without violating the law.
Oh, so if I leave the parking lot, you're going to arrest me?
It's prima facie evidence, okay? We have a problem there, don't we? See how the laws work? For and against you? So you can take your feet and go on down the road. That's not illegal. As long as you obey all the pedestrian laws. Now you might want to crack those law books and let me know what that's all about, okay? The piece of paper you gave me, I'm keeping because it's invalid. You gotta sign the bottom of the document and date it to make it anything valid. You should have read up on that, okay? Go back to your law library and check that out. What I think happened is last time you were arrested for DWI is you got yourself a jailhouse lawyer in there next to you saying, hey, here's what you need to do to mess with the police, okay? Well, guess what? I've been doing this 33 years. I don't care, all right? Now, listen closely. Do not leave the parking lot driving their vehicle. It's illegal. Okay? Look at me. Do you understand me?
I did.
Good. I want to see those eyes. I want to make sure you understand. Because I'm not thinking everything's all there. The earth is round. Give me his receipt. Yeah. Where are you going? You got any money? I don't know if they take the American currency.
You don't think so?
I don't know. They may not, because it may not be constitutional. It might not, that's an American document you got there.
Are you saying that they're not constitutional?
I'm not sure.
You don't know?
You never know who you're gonna. Maybe a crazy person there you might get a hold of. I don't know. Good luck.
Likewise.
Are we good? All right, we're good. We good?
Yeah,
Okay.
good talk.
Go on.
See you soon.
Now you will.
I hope not. Okay. Put your shirt on. It's a health code violation if you don't.
Not outside.
I know the law.
Outside is fine.
Don't everybody have a sign. It doesn't say shoot yourself in the head either on there, does it? There's no sign for that, is it?
Shoot yourself in the head.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
What are you saying?
What's your first and last name?
I don't have a last name.
You don't have a last name?
No.
And what's your first name?
I don't have a first name either. I've got a name. My name is Robert. You can call me Robert.
Oh, wow.
I'm not a person. See, you deal here with Admiralty Maritime Jurisdiction, which deals with persons, which I am not.
What are you? Are you human?
I'm a man.
You're human?
I'm a man, yes?
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
You're not a U.S. citizen.
I was not born in Washington, D.C. or any territory of the under federal jurisdiction, so no, I'm not a U.S.
Were
citizen.
you born in the United States of America and any of the states?
I was born in America. Yes, I'm a state citizen of one of the several states.
There's more than 7.
One of the several?
Which state?
Idaho?
Idaho. Can I see your Idaho state license?
No, I don't have one.
You don't have one?
My person does, but I don't. And I don't wish to create joinder with you.
All right. And if you want to just...
Can I get your name, please? E. Smith, thank you. Are you a bailiff or are you a prosecutor? Oh, you're probably a bailiff. You got the air thing in, huh?
I know. I know. Psych it out for you. But you should. Just not famous.
I'm Tina Busby.
Come on in, folks. Are you here for 8:30?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not starting up yet, but you can have a seat on the bench here if you're fine. If anyone could kind of speak up and
I'm going to go in and speak with the prosecutor. Excuse me.
Camera.
Excuse me. You're blocking my freedom of movement.
I am.
All right. Well, P. Barnes, you just admitted to me that you're violating my rights.
No, I'm not. You can't come in with the camera.
Well, you're violating my rights. And this is also freedom of the
People out
press.
from behind you.
This is also freedom of the press. I mean, I don't know what the hell law book you're reading, man, but it doesn't apply to me.
You leave the camera with your mother outside the courtroom and you can come in.
You are not God. You have no jurisdiction over me.
God's not worried about cameras, sir. I am.
All right. Well, why are you worried about cameras? Because you want to do something
Against the
wrong?
rules.
Because you want to do something wrong? Because if it's against the rules, that means it's because somebody intends on wronging somebody else. Because they're afraid of being held accountable. P. Barnes.
It's a nice speech, but you're still not coming in.
Well, I mean, I don't have to go in because you can't even issue a warrant for me.
Might as well leave.
Well, no, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to speak with the
You
prosecutor.
can go in there without the camera.
Well, please step aside. I'm going in.
No, you're not going in.
Don't touch me.
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you just battered me
Step back.
and you're using... Oh! Ah, stop, please. I'm not doing anything wrong. Hey, you know what? You guys are really overstepping your bounds right now.
Put the cuffs on him.
Put the cuffs on. What are you arresting me for?